There is optimism for the further development of the country's tourism industry under the incoming Duterte administration. Industry stakeholders expressed such optimism during the third general membership meeting of the Philippine Tour Operators Association, or PhilToA. Lala Babilonia reports.
DOT is optimistic that the tourism sector in the Philippines will achieve more developments as the new administration takes place. This according to DOT Assistant Secretary for Travel and Development Rolando Cañizal during the third general membership meeting of the Philippine Tour Operators Association, or PhilToA, which currently has more than 400 members. Cañizal said tourism is considered one of the largest and fastest growing industries in the Philippines, having contributed largely in terms of our economy.
In terms of contribution to the gross domestic product of the country, tourism today is the 5th largest industry in the country. In 2014, the total contribution of tourism to our gross domestic product is 7.5%. And of the 9.4 increase in GDP that we have in 2014, tourism accounted for 1% of that 9.4 increase in our gross domestic product. And that makes tourism the 5th largest industry in the country today.
In the year 2015, the Philippines had more than 5 million tourist arrivals, while in 2014, it only reached more than 4 million. No wonder the Philippines was tagged one of the most desired destinations in the world. According to DOT's data, most of the tourists in the country were independent travelers, comprising 93.6% of its total number, while package travelers were only 6.4%. This year, DOT aims to reach at least 6 million number of tourists. The said agency and the board members of PhilToA as well expressed their confidence that it could be achieved by the incoming administration. In terms of domestic travel, there were about 65 million Filipinos who travel around the Philippines. Meanwhile, the millennials are reported as a group of individuals who travels a lot. In this, some other agencies are being urged to penetrate the world of social media, since most of the time, customers use this platform to search for their travel destinations. For People's Television, Lala Babilonia.